everyone, so today we are looking at adding three one-digit numbers, and we're also going to have a look at separating numbers into all of their number bonds. So obviously we know our main number bonds, which is our number bonds to 10. So in fact, I'll give you a few minutes just now at the beginning, like we would do at the starter of our lesson, to write down all of the number bonds to 10 for me. And remember that there are 11 that you can write down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So give yourself a few minutes, pause the video, and see how quickly you can write down all of the number bonds to 10. So we can start with our ones in our song. So we've got 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Then we need to remember that we can do them both ways around. So we can switch this around. We can have 9 and 1. We can have 8 and 2. We can have 7 and 3. We can have 6 and 4. We can't switch around 5 and 5 because they're the same number. And then our final two number bonds to 10 are 10 and 0. And switch it around again, 0 and 10. So hopefully we got all of those right. But today we are going to be looking at other number bonds. So for example, if we wanted to do our number bonds to 8, say. So to work this out, we can start by drawing out our 8 dots, so 6, 7, 8, and we can circle them off into two separate groups. I'm going to use another colour, hopefully we'll be able to see it. So I might start with, if we just start off by circling off 1, and then we've got our other group. So this would be 1 add 7. But then we've got to remember that we can do it the other way around as well. So we can do 7 add 1. So then again, we can circle off maybe 2 this time. And we have got 2 add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can also flip it around, have 6 add 2. Right, pause the video here and see if you can work out the rest of our number bonds to 8. So we can keep on circling our numbers, making our circle bigger. So we can have 3 and 5, and 5 and 3. And then we can circle another one into it. And we can have 4 and 4. However, if we were to circle one more, then we've got 5 and 3, and we've already got 5 and 3 down here. So we don't need to do that again because we've done them both ways, we don't need to repeat that. So we have found out that 8 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ways of splitting it up. And that is what the year ones are going to be focusing on today, splitting up some numbers. But we're also going to go over how to add together 3 one-digit numbers. So for example, if I had 3 add 7 add 4. So we could do it out the simplest way, and we can draw out our 3 dots, then we can draw out our 7 dots, then we can draw out our 4 dots, and we can count them all together and know that together we get an answer of 14. But sometimes that is a little bit of a longer way, and we can do it a shorter way. So we can look at our numbers and have a think about what we recognise. Thinking about our number ones, what do we recognise here? So hopefully we've noticed that we have got 2 numbers that make 10 here. So we've got 3 and 7 that add up to 10. So we can easily know that that is 10. And then all we've got to do is 10 add 4. And 10 add 4 is a lot easier because we can just go, we got 1 10 there, we got 4 1s there, 10 add 4 makes 14. So that is a lot quicker way to add together 3-digit numbers. So let's do one more example here, and then I'll get you to do an example on your own. So if we had 2 add 5 add 8. So we want to see if we can recognise any numbers there that we can add together to make 10. So hopefully we've recognised that we've got 2 and 8 makes 10. So then we change it to 10 add 5, which gets us 15. So well done if you've got that. Right. I'm going to write up 2 questions on my board that you can have a go of trying yourself at home. So 1 add 6 add 9 and 4 add 5 add 5. So pause the video here and have a go at working out those 2 questions. So 1 add 6 add 9, we can recognize that 1 add 9 makes 10. So we need to do 10 add 6, which gets us 16. Here we got 4 add 5 add 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. And we need to add on our 4, which gets us 14. So well done if you have managed to do that. So our activities today, I'm putting them on the website, are practicing either the number ones activity for the year ones with a challenge to try the year twos activity, and then either doing it with our dots or are finding our number bond pairs for year twos. So have a go with those activities, and I will see you tomorrow.